Hi friends, good evening. Today I will be showing you a very sought after, loved by almost all, chicken tangri kebab. It has been requested by my little friends, small friends. They wanted to learn this. Actually, this is made very easily and very tasty, trust me. And I require only 7 ingredients, and that too nothing exotic. Very common ingredients available within your kitchen. Every kitchen has them. So I'll be just telling you, but one thing you have to remember, none of the ingredients you can skip. All of them are essential, very commonly available ingredients within your kitchen. So let's start, friends. Let me show you the 7 ingredients. Chicken legs, I will be making it with chicken legs. Chicken legs, I have given some slits. You can see I have given some slits. This is a normal chicken leg. Medium sized chicken leg. You can use a bigger size also, but very small chicken pieces will not give a good effect. Now let me come back to my ingredients. The first one is a Kashmiri red chili powder. Number 2 is Everest shahi garam masala, and this is done with mustard oil. I have taken a little bit of mustard oil. Curd, I require curd. For 4 pieces, I require at least 3 teaspoons of curd. This is salt, this is Kasuri methi, and this is ginger garlic paste. I have used the Smith & Jones ginger garlic paste. You can use it normal ginger garlic paste also, made at home. Now what I will be doing, I will be just mixing all of this together, and I'll let you know how it looks like. I'm adding my Kashmiri mirch powder. I'm adding my garam masala. I'm adding the curd. I'm adding the salt according to taste. I'm adding the kasuri methi. I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. Now I'll be adding my oil. I'll just give a good mix to all of these. After mixing it properly, it will look like this. I will be marinating this for 2 hours at least, and if you marinate it for more, then you may keep it in the freezer rack. Or one thing I can tell you, it's not that more you marinate it will be more tastier. So if you want to make it for evening snacks, you can marinate it in the afternoon. If you want to make for the breakfast, then you can marinate it overnight. That's all. There is no such hard and fast rule about marination that you have to marinate it for a longer time. At least from half an hour to 2 hours will be perfect. So today I will be marinating it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, some pieces I will be doing in my air fryer, and you can do it in simple tawa also. I will be showing you both the ways how to do it. For 2 hours I have marinated my chicken with the mixtures that I said, and it looks somewhat like this. I said I will be showing you all 2 processes. One in my air fryer and the other in a simple tawa. First I am showing in air fryer how it is done in the air fryer. Here is my air fryer. I am having an air fryer of Wonder Chef. You can use any air fryer. I am placing them one after the other. 2 I will be doing in my air fryer, and 2 I will be doing in my normal tawa, air fryer. I will be setting it in 200 degree, and I will be taking the time for 25 minutes. And here is an orange button, and here is a green light, orange light and green light. When this green light will go off, I'll just make a shift. I will be turning my tangri kebab. My regular tawa, a non-stick tawa I have taken, and this is my marinated tangri kebab pieces. I will be just putting them like this. And I will be covering it. The flame should be lowest point. At the lowest point the flame should be. And it will take 10 to 15 minutes. In between, I will be turning it once again. I will be showing that how it happens. See, the green light has gone off now from my air fryer. I will be just taking it out. For convenience sake, I am showing all the 4 here. I will be just brushing the marinade on it, and I will be turning the sides. I'll just show you how I do that. See, one side is totally done, and now I will be doing the other side. I'll be brushing a little bit of marinade on this side also, and I'll be putting my air fryer rack back again, and see, it has started working again. It will take 10 more minutes, then it will be done. Now let me see how this has turned out to be. Just see how beautiful it's looking. Look at my tangri kebab. So nicely roasted. It's almost done. I'll cover it and I'll put off the flame. But one thing you should remember, the flame should always be at the lowest point. 1 more minute is left here. After 1 minute, this one will also be ready. Now let me see how it's working out. See, this one is also looking so beautiful, so yummy. Finished. The bell and the lights has gone off. Now I'll show you. See how it's looking. Now I'll be just plating it. My plating is complete. I will be just serving with some rings of onion, a dash of lemon, and slit green chilies. What you can top with is chaat masala. Just sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala and serve it. Have it hot. It will be very, very nice to taste. And friends, please subscribe my channel. I'm very new in this channel. Please subscribe, please support, and be happy, be merry. Bye-bye.